Okay, so we have had a couple questions about the Dolphin keypad card reader connected with the PRIMA using the Wiegand converter. As you know, we now offer the Wiegand converter or Wiegand built into the access control panel for PRIMA, so you wouldn't need the Wiegand converter. But we just wanted to quickly show you the configuration that we have with this two-door PRIMA. We have a two-door PRIMA access control system with a Wiegand converter and two of the Dolphin keypad card readers with position sensors, door monitors, that we're going to show you here today. I'm not going to walk you through the full configuration, but I do just want you to see how we have this set up. So I'm going to go ahead in the software and go to Centrals. Click on our Central, which is the unit here. And because we have the Wiegand converter, which has both of our card readers plugged into it, which I'll show you here in just a minute, wired only into door 1, we've configured it in the software so it triggers door 1 when card reader 1 is read and triggers door 2 when card reader 2 is read. And then we have to set up specific settings. So you will see the door 1 settings. We have the allowed door open time for 10 seconds and the door open warning duration before alarm goes off set to 10 seconds. What that means is after 10 seconds, if that door is still held open, it's going to trigger a note, an alarm in the software. And if that goes for 10 seconds, it's going to trigger the buzzer on the reader to buzz, which we're going to show you. We also have our door monitor door position sensor set to normally open, which is giving us accurate readings. And then if I click on door 2 settings are the exact same. 10-second allowed door open time, 10-second time before alarm goes off. Door monitor active voltage level set to normally open. So that's how we have this whole system configured. You can see here all of our inputs are red currently. If I was, just so you can see, to change the door monitor position to normally closed, and click Save. Again, this is door 2 that we're looking at right here. Now it's going to go through and read and think everything's, it will trigger my alarm because it's actually backwards. You can hear the alarm going off because it's backwards, so it thinks the door's open right now. So I'm going to go ahead and switch that back. Save that. Okay, reset it and we'll be good to go. Normally open again, and on door 1 normally open, so we're totally set and ready to go. Okay, now I'm going to come in and show you real quickly how the events and how this is going to look with the events. You can see here, let me first show you how this is wired. So if we move over to the Wiegand converter, we have, again, each Wiegand converter takes 2 readers. So you have positive power and negative power. It's obviously your red and black wires for both doors. You have your data 0, data 1, green and white, which is wired up the same. Then you have GL, okay, which is the LED, which is brown. And then you have buzzer, which is yellow on our readers, okay? So brown is the LED, yellow is the buzzer, and then your data and power wires. That's how we have this wired up. And then obviously we have the Wiegand converter wired into door 1, even though we can trigger door 2 with that being wired. So I'm going to come back to our software and I'm going to show you, I'm going to remove the door position sensor on, I can't remember if this is door 1 or door 2. Door manually opened on our test door. Again, I have it set for 10 seconds to trigger an alarm, and after that 10 seconds to allow the reader to buzz, and that's what we'll hear here in just a second. Door left open and the reader is buzzing. That is our alarm saying, hey, the door's open. As soon as I close the door by putting the position sensor back on, door manually closed, and it will say that door that was open is now closed, so no need to worry. Okay? Going to do the same thing with the second door. Remove the position sensor. Door manually open, the software shows. And then it's going to trigger our buzzer here in just a minute. Okay? Door left open, alerting us that's open. Position sensor back on. The door has been closed. Door manually closed. It shows, and now we're good to go. Now, I can also show you that the keypads on these work. So I've saved the code 1225. Okay, you can see green light indicating it opens, shows DIRD test entry, and I can hear my relay trigger. And the second one, green LED, relay triggers, entry to DIRD. Okay, so this is a very normal configuration for PRIMA. Your position sensors, 2 readers, And again, if you're using the Wiegand converters, this is the way that you would wire them up. Red positive power, black ground. Green is data 0, white data 1. Brown is LED, which is labeled GL on the Wiegand converter. And yellow is the buzzer. And again, I'll just show you that if we take both of these position sensors off, both doors have been manually opened. And we'll wait for the trigger. Doors closed, no more alarm. And then I'll show you how we have this wired up here. We have got the door position sensors on the access control panel. That's going to trigger here in just a minute. 11 is door position sensor ground, and 12 is door monitor sensor. So DM is door monitor. So you want to wire into 11 and 12. That's exactly how we have these configured on both door 1 and door 2. And then you're going to be able to have this read the exact way that we've had it working here.